What it do, y'all? How y'all feeling, man? Hope y'all feeling good. Hey, we gonna be pranking my boys just about to pull up. I'll be pranking them, cause what I didn't tell them is that I changed my gearing again. I tell you, I be playing with these gears, man. I put the 42 on there, man. Split sprocket, custom split sprocket. I had to make that work myself. Cause yeah, as you can see, I had to drill holes. As you can see, I had to get busy, y'all. But yeah, we about to see what it do. How y'all feeling, man? Feeling y'all back? Oh yeah, we about to get active.
Hired like 2 weeks ago, bro, and I checked it today. Bro, that bitch had no air in it.
What?
I just filled it up, but like,
yeah.
Why is that shit losing air so fast?
This shit's cool. Oh, you took the tensioner off?
Bro, that tensioner was cooked, bro.
Oh, for real?
It was
There
so
was
cooked.
2 different chain lines.
Oh.
There was probably like a cut like that deep into it. From the chain just literally constantly rolling so tight. Dude, I had to knock.
It's good on the second.
It started first try at my house.
fucking active, bro.
Jumping right there.
No, bro, I went over that fucking road.
Yeah, and that bitch.
No, I went, like, I rode over that bitch, like, and that bitch, like, it just felt like I was just going, bro. If I was on that little ass bike, I would have died.
Yeah, you would've-
I would have died.
All over the hills and shit now sideways, and you won't hit your kickstand. That's what I'm saying. You're going off road.
Chase him. Woo, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh.
All the kids coming over.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You good?
Yeah, my leg feels
Did you bang that bitch? What'd you hit it on?
the bike. I mean, I'm moving it
Where's your velocity?
over there. It's somewhere. I
Put it
didn't
in
break
your
no
bag.
fingers or nothing, but my right leg feels very struck. I don't think I broke anything. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, he just hit his shin on the bike.
Oh. Yeah, I'm good. I
What'd you
appreciate.
follow?
Huh?
What did you follow?
I was literally trying to chase some fuck. I was. Yo.
Jump that lip.
Yo. Yo. Bro, just make sure the bike good. Oh.
These bikes are too dangerous. They don't have no governor.
Good though, like the way he flipped. Wait, nah, dude. You okay?
He hit his shin on the bar,
Ugh.
but like he's saying it's not broken. So, I mean, if he could walk on it. Nah, you bent it. You bent your exhaust. It's sitting on the frame now.
Need a new one.
Nah, you don't, yo.
Huh?
You don't.
I thought I was ready to die.
Seeing that big ass rock too.
You did the smart thing, though. I ain't finna lie. You ditched it.
Huh?
You ditched it. This smart thing.
I wasn't trying to, but I was trying to brake.
I seen. Did you not expect to hit it that hard?
I was not expecting that jump, and I was not expecting my tires to slide when I was trying to brake.
Oh yeah, you were probably in the fucking wheel was in ignition.
Fuck yeah.
Yo, you're lucky.
You can literally see
I'm-
where
Close
you
you were,
started.
bro.
You can see, though. Look.
Yeah. Alright. Are you able to get up and go ride back to your house?
That's what I need to do.
That's what I'm saying. I just don't want to be right here. We already got it.
My bike look good.
You got the velocity in the back. The only thing that
Oh, you put it in my bag?
Yeah.
The only
Yeah,
thing
let
that really
let me
ate
zip it
was
up
your
for you.
exhaust and this peg. Like that's what really took the fall for real.
What?
Thank
The
God
pegs
you fell
do
on
do
this
it.
side, yo.
The
Thank
pegs do
fucking
do
God.
its design.
Thank God this hit the fucking dirt.
Oh yeah.
Because if your bike hit, if the throttle hit the fucking, I think you fucked the throttle up a little bit though.
Mine's? Oh, no, I did that. Wait.
There's a fray in it now.
Nah, I adjusted it to that. It's to, yeah. It's not a free. It's to get no fucking tension.
Yep, up.
Let me see something. Hold up. Let me see. Let me
Yeah,
make
see
sure
if
my
you're able
shits
to
are
walk.
good.
Hit a straight walk line for a minute. Walk it off for a second.
Walk that shit off, bro. Walk that shit off, bro. I'm so glad I'm walking this shit off, y'all. Hey, y'all, I really got that shit on camera. Is the camera still on? The camera still on, y'all, bro. What the fuck did I just do? Bro, ain't no fucking way I just did that shit with my bike, yo. Ain't no fucking way, cuz. Oh, shit. Yo, nothing is broke. Bro, are you dead ass, bro? I ain't break nothing. I ain't break nothing, bro. And the bike don't even like me right now. It said I fucking... At least my shit is here, bro. It is good.
You good?
And at least everything is good.
Walk out with a little minor and
With minor, you know,
minor.
Oh my god! But it's supposed to be those type crashes. Supposed to be like
the worst.
broken. Holy shit!
All you gotta do is just really bend this out. See, I tried to bend it out a little bit for you.
Nah, it actually makes it fit better for real.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Shit, alright, man. Y'all be safe, man. Y'all be safe, man.
You too.
Next time we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be out better, man. Next time.
We might be out tomorrow going to Eaton's.
Type shit. Hopefully I feel better and shit. I'm gonna get this fender off.